بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Let's review everything we have studied so far. Arabic is a gender-sensitive language. Everything has a gender, not just humans and animals. Arabic is also a number-sensitive language, so everything you see will be singular, dual, or plural. And this is something you have to get used to early on in the language. And the minimum number of words needed to make a valid Arabic sentence is 2. That's the minimum. And so all of the sentences we have seen so far, you can tell that they're just 2-word sentences. And they're simple Arabic sentences. Okay, here's a quick review. Singular and masculine. Ana muslimun. Singular, feminine. Ana muslimatun. So the feminine has a ta marbuta ending. Let's look at the dual. The dual masculine, nahnu muslimani. The dual feminine, nahnu muslimatani. So this is for 2 males, this is for 2 females. What do we do if there's a male or female, like a couple, like a husband or wife? We go to nahnu muslimani because muslimatani is reserved exclusively for the females. It cannot be shared. Whereas muslimani in general is for the males, but it can be shared. Nahnu muslimuna. 3 or more. Nahnu muslimatun. Again, 3 or more. So if you have 3 or more males, you say nahnu muslimuna. If you have 3 or more females, you say nahnu muslimatun. What if you have a mixed crowd, some males, some females? As long as there are 3 or more, you go with muslimuna, because muslimatun is reserved exclusively for the females. It cannot be shared. Whereas the muslimuna is for the males in general, but for a situation where you have a mixed crowd, you can use muslimuna. So that was the word Muslim. Let's do the same thing for the word mu'min. Ana mu'minun, I am a believer. That's masculine and singular. Ana mu'minatun, that's feminine, singular. Ana mu'minatun, I am a believer. Nahnu mu'minani, nahnu mu'minani, or exactly two believers who are females. Mu'minani is for exactly two believers. And if you have a mixed, like male-female couple, you go with mu'minani. You don't do mu'minatani because, as we said earlier, this is reserved exclusively for the feminine or females. So it cannot be shared, whereas the mu'minani can be shared. And then you have nahnu mu'minuna, nahnu mu'minuna. 3 or more believers saying we are believers, males or a mixed crowd. Nahnu mu'minatun, nahnu mu'minatun. We are believers, females only, not a mixed crowd. And then we looked at talib. Ana talibun, singular, masculine. Ana talibun, I am a student. Talib means student. Talib also means seeker. If you're seeking something, that's also understood when we use the word talibun. The reason why talibun is used to mean student, because the student is a seeker of knowledge. Ana talibatun, feminine, singular. For the dual masculine, نحن طالبان. نحن طالبان. And the dual feminine, نحن طالبتان. نحن طالبتان. طالبتان is reserved exclusively for two females. So if you have a male or female, you go with طالبان. نحن طالبون. نحن طالبون. We are three or more students. نحن طالبات. نحن طالبات. Three or more females only students. Mixed crowd, you go with طالبون. Next, we have practice. You have some homework here where you will learn new words. For example, katib, you will take the skills that you learned in the previous lessons and apply them to new words such as katib. Katib means writer. So, ana katibun, I'm a writer, male. Ana katibatun, I'm a writer, feminine or female. So, the technical term for masculine in Arabic is al-mudhakkar, al-mudhakkar, al-mudhakkar. Okay, and the technical term for the feminine in Arabic is al-mu'annath, al-mu'annath, al-mu'annath. Al-mu'annath means the feminine. Okay. And the technical term for the word singular in Arabic grammar is al-mufrad, al-mufrad, al-mufrad. And the technical term for the dual is al-muthanna, al-muthanna. And finally, the technical term for plural in Arabic is al-jam'u, al-jam'u. So for practice, you will take the word katibun, which means writer, and complete this table for the dual. So you would say nahnu katibani, and be sure to put full tashkil. And you would say nahnu katibatani. And then here you would say nahnu katibuna, nahnu katibatun. And you can find the answers online. So go to the website QuranicLinguistics.com. In fact, let me show you the website right now where you can find the answers. Once you complete this practice, you will need to check your answers. So here's the Quranic Linguistics website. The website is currently undergoing a redesign. This is an old design, and inshallah, within a week or two, you will see it will look different. So you look at the tab, it says answer keys. In the answer keys, you will see all of my books have answer keys. You will choose this book here, Easy Introduction to Quranic Arabic. And it opens up a new page, answer keys, and you just scroll down and you find what you need. First person pronouns, pages 9 and 10. Second person, third person, and all the answer keys are right here. This is where you find the answer keys. So that's katibun. The next word is mu'minun. You already know what that word is, so this should be, inshallah, relatively easier. Talibun, you already know what that word is. Complete this practice. Here's a new word, jalisun, which means sitting. Jalisun, sitting. So if you say ana jalisun, that means I'm sitting. And for the female, you say ana jalisatun, like that. Okay. So complete this and then check the answer keys to see if you got it all right or wrong. If you didn't get it right, or if you're not sure why you got it wrong, make a comment and I'll be happy to explain. Waqifun means standing. So you say, ana waqifun, I am standing. Sleeping, ana na'imun. So you use the word na'imun for sleeping. It can also be used to mean sleeper, but let's keep it simple. Let's just stick to the basic meaning, which is sleeping. I'm sleeping. Na'imun, ana na'imun. And that's the practice homework for you. After you complete the practice, after completing this practice for all these words, please check your answer using the online answer keys at QuranicLinguistics.com. Then there's a quiz. Take the quiz. The link of the quiz will be shared, inshallah. And in case you're wondering, if you're an Arabic teacher, if you have an Arabic teacher with whom you're studying this book, they can access all the quizzes for free. They just have to register themselves first. And that's it. That was first person. In the next lesson, we'll look at second person, inshallah. والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.